Today we're going to present about optics and visions. Why optics and visions? Firstly, it's because we want to explain how our eyes can observe the visions in our world. Secondly, it's because we want to explain how it's applied in our medical field, how the medical personnel going to use the optics in our ability. And thirdly, it's because how the modern technology will be applied with optics, how it's create virtual and actual world, how it's connected the internet together.
From my part, I would like to talk about light and optic equipment. Light is electromagnetic wave that we can see from 400 and 700 nanometer. White light is also made of all colors and object look color because they reflect some light and absorb the others. What is more, light also have reflection, refraction, interference, and diffraction. It can be explained by wave theory and quantum theory, where light also behave as a particle with energy equal to hf. Furthermore, concave and convex mirrors and lens form different images depending on focal length and object position.
For the next one is basic anatomy of our eyes. Light enter the eye through the cornea and pass to iris, which control the amount of light. The lens focus the light onto the retina where the image is formed. The fovea provides sharp central vision and the optic nerve send signal to the brain. The retina is a light-sensitive layer and is the most sensitive area at the back of our eyes, where images are formed upside down. And the next one is the fovea, is the most sensitive area for sharp vision, while the blind spot has no photoreceptors. Light detect the black and white light, and cones also detect the color such as blue, red, or even brown. Visual acuity depends on resolving power with the minimum angle given by solution of theta equal with 1.22 lambda divided with d.
So we have symptoms of the optic. At first we have myopia. So the image form in front of the retina and is corrected with a concave lens. So people who see object very far away will see it in the blur, but in the opposite, in the close, you will see as normal. And we have hypermetropia, which is the opposite of the myopia. So people who see in the object in the far away, it will see as normal, but in the close object, it will become blurred. So we have presbyopia, so it only related to the age of the person, so people will have difficult focusing on the object because of their age. And lastly, we have astigmatism. It happens when the eye has uneven curvature. It will causing blur vision. People will see object in a curvature way, it will bend outward or backward.
The last topic is for the applications that we apply optics and lens in the medical field. First one is telescope, which is using in astronomy industry. They use a different objective lens to absorb the things at outer space. The second one, microscope. We usually use this in medical technology. We use in different magnifications 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x. Third one, the optical fiber. This one used in electricity, in internet, in signing way to sending the signal to let us connect the information together. And the last one, the endoscope. This one usually used by the doctor or the medical professional to send it inside our body and to take the image inside to see the precisely consultations. We can know that the light that human can absorb is 400 to 700 nanometers, follow the rainbow chart of the prisms, and it can go on to be reflection, refraction, interference, and diffractions. Also, it provides the visions of the retina in our eyes with the rods in the cone cell that receive the color in different way. Also, with the lacking of the previous part, you can get some disease like myopia, hypermetropia, and also the astigmatisms. Optics plays an important role in our medical field, which applying to any equipment such as endoscope, microscope, telescope, and optic fiber. Understanding in this topic will lead us to knowing why optics is applying to our field. Thank you for your attention.